Hey everyone, welcome to Wishing Well BBQ. I'm Dustin Wells, and today I'm going to show you how to make a smoked chicken Parmesan. Let's do it. Chicken Parmesan is one of those really amazing dishes that has a lot of flavor. It has the marinara sauce, and it's super cheesy, and it's just delicious. And it really got me thinking about making a barbecue version of a chicken Parmesan. I mean, how could that be wrong? How could it be wrong? It's gonna be smoky, it's gonna have the marinara sauce, it's gonna be cheesy, and it's just gonna be packed full of flavor. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a recipe you're gonna wanna stick around for. Let me show you what we've gotta do to get this chicken parm ready for the smoker. I went to my local grocery store and picked up a pack of boneless, skinless chicken breast. I don't really have too much that I need to do to this chicken, but I am gonna just make sure that I don't have any extra pieces hanging off and just try to square it up. Once I've squared the chicken up, I'm just gonna rub these chicken breasts down in some oil. Today I'm using canola oil, but you can use whatever type of oil you like. Now it's time to season, and you know that I'm going to use my Wishing Well BBQ Texas Cowboy rub. If you don't have this, you can use whatever your favorite SPG is. You just want to make sure that you get both sides nice and evenly coated. Now we're ready to get these chicken breasts on the smoker, so let's do it. Today I'm going to be cooking on my Oklahoma Joe Bronco drum smoker. And the first thing I'm going to do is fill up my charcoal basket with lump charcoal. Then we're going to put the charcoal basket in the drum smoker and get it started using my propane torch. Once we've got the coals going, I'm going to place a couple of chunks of hickory wood and put in that deflector plate and the grates. Once the smoker gets up to about 300 degrees, we're going to put our chicken breast on the smoker and close it down and let it cook. I'm going to be using my ThermoPro TP27 to monitor temperatures. Hey, do you like the change of scenery? I've been working really hard on building this big outdoor barbecue family area. Now I know it doesn't look like much right now, but we're gonna continue to add and build, and hopefully you're gonna have a really nice area to check out while we're showing you all of our awesome recipes. I just want to really quickly say thank you so much to all of my supporters, all of my subscribers. You guys are really awesome, and I'm so glad that you're part of my Wishing Well BBQ family. While we're letting our chicken cook, let's go ahead and prepare some of the other ingredients that we need. Here I've got a 1 pound block of whole milk mozzarella, and I'm just going to take my grater and I'm going to grate about half of that up. Then I've got an 8-ounce block of Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna grate about half of that up, which is gonna be about 4 ounces. Mix that all together and then put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Now I've got a really good quality marinara sauce, and I'm gonna put that in a smoker safe container and put it on the Bronco drum smoker to heat up while this chicken finishes. All right, we've had this chicken on for about an hour, and just check that out. This definitely has the color that we are looking for. Let's go ahead and use our ThermoPro to get a little temp reading here. Oh yeah, this is just what we're looking for. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the marinara sauce that we have on here, and we're just gonna paint that right on the top of this chicken. Don't be shy, this is good marinara sauce, and this is also going to be a really good glue for our cheese. Now I'm going to take this cheese that I grated up, and I'm going to put that right on the top of this chicken, and I'll tell you what, I like it cheesy, so I'm going heavy. All right, I've got this cheese on there, and I'm going to close this smoker down and let that cheese melt. Probably just going to take about 5 minutes or so. Been another 5 minutes. Oh man, that looks so good. Look at how insanely cheesy that is. You know that's gonna be so good. Okay, let's take this off of the smoker and get it on the cutting board. Oh yes, man, this right here looks phenomenal. But we're gonna just add one more thing to it. Let's add a little bit of chopped parsley just to give it a little extra pop. Tell you what, that right there is perfect. Man, oh man, I tell you what, this looks and smells absolutely delicious, and you know that I'm ready to take a bite. But before we do, let's talk about what we did to get here. The first thing that I did was take a pack of chicken breasts and trimmed off any excess fat or anything that I didn't want on the breast. Then I rubbed it down with a little bit of oil and seasoned it with my Wishing Well BBQ Texas Cowboy rub all over this chicken. We put our chicken breast on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco drum smoker at 300 degrees for about an hour. And in the meantime, we grated up about half of a block of fresh mozzarella and fresh Parmesan. We put that marinara sauce on the smoker to let it heat up, and once those chicken breasts reached around 160 degrees, we basted them with our marinara sauce and topped them with all of the cheese. Once that cheese was nice and melted, we took it over to the cutting board and added a little bit of parsley, and now here we are, and I can't wait any longer. I've got to take a bite. Let's check out the cut here. Oh, it's nice and juicy. Get my knife. Come right down through here. Hey, just look how juicy that chicken is. Hey, cheers to you. Cheers to a good cook. Let's take a bite. Oh man, the amount of flavor on that is so good. I mean, the Texas Cowboy rub on that chicken breast is a winner already, but you let it cook on that Bronco, it gets that good charcoal hickory flavor. That marinara sauce just gives it that perfect little flavor, and I'll tell you what, the cheese, don't even get me started on the cheese. You want to make something phenomenal for dinner? This is the one. This recipe is super easy and you've got to try it. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you like what we're doing here on the Wishing Well BBQ channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Make sure you also check out all of our other socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Make sure you also check all of the affiliate links that we have below to all the awesome products we use. And just thank you for being part of our Wishing Well BBQ family. Thank you so much again for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.